Welcome back and continuing the news. Jamaica's declining birth rate has resulted in the government encouraging women who can afford to do so to have more children. Finances aside, though, are these women mentally ready? One child and family expert says there should also be greater attention of mental wellness so that if the babies come, they are treated with care. Ramada Lyons has the story.
A declining birth rate has brought on increasing calls for more Jamaicans to have children. The pregnancy is 9 months, but the years that follow can be even more challenging, especially for young parents. So while there's a push to get more people in delivery rooms, child and family therapist Dr. Beverly Scott says there should also be a push to get them in therapy chairs.
Before we do so, we need to encourage them to consider their emotional readiness for supplying the needs of a child for at least 20 years, and some of them 25 years. They need to consider their own career. They need to consider their physical and mental health, their financial stability, and the stability in their relationships.
Total deliveries from 2018 show a steady decline in the birth rate. 2018, 7,116. 2019, 7,201, 2020, 7,002, 2021, 6,878, 2022, 6,719, 2023, 6,018. Now, Dr. Scott says there are many issues that could affect a young mother after giving birth to a child that can cause her to take the life of that child. This brings into focus the recent case that has left police in Manchester searching for a woman who is suspected to have killed her 10-week-old baby. The child was found in a bucket of water. The police say the mentally ill woman is now in hospital and is receiving treatment. Dr. Scott warns, however, that this is not giving an excuse to do harm to children.
While we are not justifying anyone taking the lives of children, maternal infanticide of children under 1 year old is often associated with serious social issues, economic pressures, untreated mental illness, or postpartum depression.
That, she says, can occur within the first year after childbirth,
causing intense sadness, anxiety, and exhaustion that interfere with the daily life of the mother.
She says there needs to be greater attention on reducing the incidence of infanticide.
Greater public health care for vulnerable mothers, especially from close to giving birth to at least 1 year after giving birth, and enhancing the support system for at-risk pregnant mothers through social intervention and other forms of support.
In 2024, the government said it was transforming primary health care to strengthen antenatal and postnatal support for mothers and newborns. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.